Hi everyone, my name is Laksh and I am a student of advanced level at Paragon Academy Badin. So today my presentation topic is uses and abuses of cell phone. This is like this depend on ourselves. That's how can we use it? We use it positively or negatively. First of all, I am going to talk on positive. Thus we use the nowadays the you know about this app that's come on Chat GPT. We use Chat GPT for different get different types of knowledge, and like that we gave questions to chat gpt is gave answer in seconds, and we get knowledge. Nowadays there are so many dictionaries available in our mobile phone that we use it. We gave word to dictionaries, gave a meaning, perfect meaning. And like that we use the cell phone for listening lectures, and we use it for academic purpose. For suppose we listen the lecture of black hole and the Titanic and the discovery of time. It's a get benefit to us. Like that also the disadvantage of cell phone. Now I'm going to talk on disadvantage of cell phone. Also same to same disadvantage of cell phone. That like that we use more time Facebook. There are so many apps like that Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram. We use it, and like that we use it more time. It's also weakness of eyesight. Also you know about blue rays. This blue rays also affect on our skin. And also there's we use like that fake news on Facebook that's come like that petrol increase 50 rupees and decrease 50. It's also fake news, but sometimes it's gave like journal news. Thank you.